tree. Look at this. This is so fucking cool. Hey, cutie pies. It's me, your lovely, adorable pal, Lynn Fusion. I think it's Lynn Fusion now. I still get confused sometimes because, it was Lynn Spire for so long, but yeah. Anyway, it's Lynn Fusion now. And basically, we're just going through another test to test out things like delay and how the filter works and how the system works and all that fun stuff. And the trick is just going to be in lining it all up. So if this comes out okay and it looks decent, we'll post it. Anyway, babies, I love you. And I'll see you soon. Good night. Mwah. And this is our smoothness and color grading test. It's interesting because what I did here was replace the filter just entirely with an alternate version of the same filter that does a different kind of what's it called? It's called something. I took it from the generalized QARA to the anisotropic QARA filter, and that actually lowers the delay a little bit, which is really good. And then I did some color grading, just, because I could, and it's fun, and I'm showing off. I do believe I'm showing off. That's what I do. Anyway, babies, see you soon. Alright, let's see if we can get the sound going this time. Ba-dum-ba. As you can see, I made some changes to the lighting and the hair. I know it's weird because of the way this thing's shaded, but this one actually feels to me a little more organic. Yeah, that makes sense. Organic. Okay, let's do a quick camera test and then I think we're done for the night. So we're gonna zoom out. I like how this works. Oh, the light's still connected to the camera. I was right. I gotta fix that. Better. That's pretty cool. Aren't these fun? I think they're fun. Anyway, babies, I'll see you soon. Alright, now we're gonna test general eye contact. That's something we've been lacking in all night. So, here we are. For some reason, when you use like eyeball-based models instead of like the flat anime ones, keeping eye contact in VSeeFace gets to be really challenging. So what I like to do is sort of line it up so that I am looking at my own thing as I go. And tentatively, that works. The problem here is drift, I think. I think I've got my drift turned on and set too high. So that's going to change the position of my eyes as I go. But I'm thinking I can work on that, you know? Does that make sense? Anyway. You're beautiful. I'll see you soon.